Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your VP has 10 minutes before the investor call and needs to know whether the portfolio is healthy, where the risk is, and what is being done about it. Can your current reporting answer that in 10 minutes? That is the real test of executive reporting. Not whether it contains data, but whether it gives decision makers a clear answer fast enough to act. The same detailed O&M data that engineers need actually obscures the strategic picture for executives. Most leadership teams receive either too much detail or too little context. A 40-page report with no clear "so what" or a traffic light dashboard with no substance behind it. Neither one solves the real problem because executives do not need every fault log. They need a concise, trusted view of what matters, why it matters, and what the team is doing next. When the report is too technical, the strategic message gets lost. When it is too shallow, confidence gets lost. That is where ClearSpot agents change the workflow by compressing your portfolio's technical and financial reality into a structured one-page brief. The brief highlights top issues ranked by megawatt hours at risk, OPEX versus plan by site, key trends, and the most urgent decisions. It updates automatically every reporting cycle with no analyst time or manual slide building. The result is not just a shorter report, but a better executive artifact that can be read, trusted, and acted on immediately. Structure matters because executives are not trying to diagnose every fault. They are trying to understand exposure, direction, and urgency. A strong brief answers what the portfolio's current health is, which sites drive the risk, what changed since last month, and what decisions need attention now. If those answers are buried inside charts and commentary, the meeting slows down. If they are visible at the top of the page, the conversation becomes strategic instead of administrative. When leadership has a trusted, consistent view of portfolio health, decisions are faster, investor conversations are better prepared, and O&M stops being an operational black box. Agents make that clarity a default output rather than a heroic effort. Many organizations only create a clean executive summary when someone has enough time, patience, and context, which is not a system, but luck. ClearSpot turns that one-off effort into a repeatable process. Bad reporting costs more than time because it can distort priorities and make the organization spend more time explaining the report than using it. If executives see too much detail, they may miss the major trend, and if they see too little, they may not trust the summary. The purpose of the brief is not to impress, it is to guide decisions. Here's the workflow in plain language. ClearSpot ingests the portfolio's technical and financial operating data. The agent identifies the most important signals like MWH at risk, OPEX variance, major trends, and unresolved decisions. It structures that information into a one-page executive brief and updates it automatically each reporting cycle so leadership always sees the current picture. The key difference is that the summary is generated by the system, not assembled manually under deadline pressure. This kind of reporting benefits the whole organization. Executives get clarity. Asset managers get a cleaner way to surface risk. Operations teams get a summary that reflects what is actually happening in the field. Finance gets a tighter link between O&M activity and business outcomes. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.